Nay! Pamuumo ka! Nakailangan ni Mami, hindi magkamamo na ah. Pamuumo si Dayday. Pabukko lang head.
I started the trouble when I was 6 years old.
You've been playing this a long time. Do you ever still make mistakes?
I make mistakes all the time. I make mistakes because you learn and grow from them.
Wow, mistakes are good because you learn.
Absolutely.
Wow. How did you do those?
I use my mouth to make all my percussion sounds.
Wow, yes.
Maria, hindi pagbut ang mga anghans mo sa ano ha.
Neat. Have you used your mouth to make those sounds? And it shows at the same time. And you share this unique sound and gift with the world.
Oh, thank you so much. I think it's so important for all of us to find what's unique and beautiful inside of us and share that with others who need that love.
Wow, we all have a gift to share with the world. Thank you so much for sharing your gifts with us today.
Oh, thank you. It's my pleasure. Thank you, friends, for listening.
Hindi.
Mango. Meatballs. Melon. Macaroni. Mashed potatoes. Okay. Candy. Okay, everything on the
These are the lines together. The shoe words rhyme. Go, shout.
Water.
You ready? Hop and yes. Hop and rock rhyme. Sound in the head. Hop. No. Hop and hop. No. Sound the same together. How about 1, 2, 3, 1? Hop. No. Don't worry about the sound. Hey, because they both start together. But you don't sound the same together, so they don't rhyme. How about hop and chop? Hop, 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 chop. Hop and hop. Okay, that was weird again. Hop and hop. You did a great job with your raffle today.
What shape is this? It looks like a circle, but it's stretched. It also looks like something the breakfast animal and chickens lay them.
That's right.